Good morning, student. Today I will show you practical way of fireless cooking. Can you someone tell me what is fireless cooking? Okay, no issue. I will tell you. Fireless cooking means cooking food without fire source. So, are you excited? Okay, yes. So, let's make yummy dish corn chaat. These are ingredients we need. First, boiled corn, then chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped coriander leaves, lemon, chaat masala, salt per taste, and black pepper. First step, we will take a bowl and add boiled corn chaat. Then add some onion, some tomato, and mix well. Sprinkle some black pepper powder. Chaat masala, salt as per taste, and squeeze the lemon. And proper mix. Garnish with coriander leaves. And ready to eat. Start.
Hello kids, good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to celebrate fireless cooking. So many things are made by fireless cooking. So today we are going to make monaco chaat. So we want some monacos, some tomatoes, cucumber, onion, sweet corns, pizza pasta sauce, tomato sauce, taste for salt for taste, and mayonnaise. So what will we do? First we take some tomatoes. Cucumber, onions, sweet corns, pizza pasta sauce. It is very healthy as well. You are looking, so many subjects are going into it. Okay, so some tomato sauce, mayonnaise, and salt for the taste. Don't pour more salt because Monaco biscuits are already salty. So mix it well. Mix it properly so all the ingredients have together taste. It is smelling already tasty. It is called a salsa dish. You will eat it with khakras and so many things. Okay, so we will put some mix on the biscuits and see, it is very easy. Your monaco chaat is ready to eat. Eat it well.
Good morning, children. Today we have a fireless cooking class. So we can start today. What we are going to do is make something without using fire. So what we are going to make is avocado chaat. So what is avocado? See, this is the avocado. This is how it looks like. Avocado is a fruit. It's not a vegetable, but it's a fruit. And from inside, it looks less like this. So as you can see it is like this. I have cut it like from the center and made it into half. As you can see, this half portion I have put it out, scooped it out in the container here, and the rest of it is here. This is the seed of it. How to take it out? You just scoop it like this. Scoop, 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 and that's how you take it out. But you cannot eat the seed, okay? Don't eat the seed. It's not edible. Edible means you cannot eat it. Edible is you can eat it, but this is non-edible. Okay? So just remove the seed. Don't take the seed. I will just scoop this portion out. We will use this portion. Okay? So what ingredients do we need to make the avocado chaat? To make this chaat, we need these papris. You can get this papris ready-made from Chitruri Bandhu or any of the snack shop. We need coriander, chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped onion. You can use this mixed herbs and this salt for the taste. Also, nimbu or lemon to give it a slight bitter or tangy taste. Okay, so let's begin. What we did first was scoop out the avocado into this container. With the help of a fork, you just smash it. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Just like that. Smash it till you see no chunks inside it. Okay. Once you are done with this, see, you can see it is smooth like a paste. Okay. Avocado itself doesn't have its own taste. We have to make it tasty. Okay. So for that, we have to add all these ingredients inside it. So let's first put in some onion. Little bit of onion. Then a little bit of tomato. Tomato does add some tang to it. Little bit of coriander for garnishing. And then you can add this mixed herbs. It has rosemary, thyme, and all the herbs, you can say, that your mama must be adding in, like as we add salt and pepper, it is one of the herbs. Okay, so just add this for taste. Little bit of this, little bit of salt, and squeeze in lemon for that extra flavor. Squeeze. Then take a spoon, mix it nicely. Mix. And what you do is take a piece of this papri, mix it nicely. Add a scoop of this, small scoop over the papri, like just like that, and your papri chaat is ready to taste. Delicious.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
So today we are going to do a fireless activity, and in that we will be preparing dahi papri chaat. Okay?
Okay.
So this is papri and some namkeen. Okay? Now I'm going to put this boiled chana. Okay?
cooking.
And some curd. Do you like curd?
Yes.
Then this green chutney. And this is tamarind chutney, okay? And And the last is you have to put some coriander, chopped coriander. Now the dahi papdi chaat is ready. So let's try.
Good morning, children. How are you?
I'm fine.
Today giving a make us bell. So let's start. This first one, churmure. And second, farsan. And third, chopped onion. Tomato, coriander, last is chutney. And peanuts. So this one. Shave. Lemon. This is ready.
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Today we will going to make coconut laddu. I have some ingredients over here. This is desiccated coconut, condensed milk, and cardamom powder. Okay, let's start to make. Prerna, will you help me in making coconut laddu? Come. Put some milk made in coconut. Slowly, slowly. We will add some cardamom powder for the taste. It makes coconut delicious. We mix it with the help of spatula. We need some more condensed milk. You mix it. Now you put it there, no? Make some laddus. This laddu is ready. Very thick, dip it. You coat the laddu with a desiccated coconut.
Start.
Good morning, children. How are you? I am going to make sandwich. Let's start to making it. Take the green chutney. What is this? Chutney. Very good. And put the green chutney and spread. Okay? Spread. This. Next. What is this?
It's a lettuce.
Cucumber. What is this? Onion. Very good.
Onion sandwich.
What is this?
It's a tomato.
Tomato. And next slide is, what is this? Sauce.
It's a pizza. Spaghetti. Ready.
And spread the sandwich together and press.
Wow!
And
It's a sandwich.
cut. And last, grated cheese. And